Okay, I'm going to do all this weeding here. To weed all this is going to take me ages. And in there, and look up there. So what I'm going to do is use the karcher to actually smash them. Same time I'll remove all the weeds in between the brick paving too. Watch. You could have pulled it out. The karcher was just smashing. And then here, they just get smashed. This one here, so you can see how quick it is. So just imagine you were doing this by hand, it'll just take you ages. There'll be little ones in there, you're filling our faces. Here, just smash them. A bit is gone. Mixed into the soil as well. So I reckon in like a couple of hours I'll have all of this done. Otherwise it would have taken me like maybe 4 or 5 days. Seriously. That, just a little bit of them there would have taken me an hour or more. I've done it in minutes. 5 minutes, I've basically done all this area. 5 minutes. Just turn the glasses on again so you can see me doing it. Imagine getting your hand in there close to that stone. You could actually cut this off. Just rip it up. In the paving, everywhere. It's gone. Mash it right into the soil. So I'm using it at the same time. I don't have to make a big heap as well. You know, like a big pile and let it compost. This is going to rot like anything. Look at this. Make gardening easier. Got to hold the karcher just the right distance from the weed so it cuts it. It's proving a little bit difficult for some reason. You probably notice I'm filming. And I may leave it out if I can't get it all. I can leave it there. Look, it's gone. But even if I can't get it all, I can leave a little bit. It'll die, and I'll always come back and re-karcher it. But look how quick this is. Just incredible. I first started doing it when I was just doing the brick paving, just getting the weeds out of the brick paving, but then I thought, hey, why not just chuck it in the garden, you know, and just smash it all up, you know, what's the problem? And it's great. And I got my hands dirty either. It would have taken me a whole day just to do this. But with the karcher, that's 5 minutes there, another 5 minutes I'll finish this. And I wouldn't even finish it in one day because I get so sick of it, especially trying to pull the little weeds and the ones in between rocks. Look up there, I mean it's impossible. It's impossible to get all them out, but with the karcher, just chop them up. In between. Okay, home again, that's all smashed. And all in there as well, so I'm just finishing off this bit here. I mean, seriously, it'll take you ages just to do this bit. Ages, hours. A day, half a day, and you get absolutely sick of it. This is so much fun. Smashing it up, I don't have to put any mulch on top either, you know, because I'll just come back with the karcher. You'd be lucky to pull them up with your hand. And it's same for the soil. I don't have to collect the weeds, put them in the bin, compost, nothing, because I've just smashed them. Look how easy it is. Seriously. I don't think I'm ever going to weed again. I used to karcher to weed in here. In here. A little bit around here. Want to move some of this bigger stuff first in here. Right inside there, it was full of weeds. Totally would have been about 100 weeds more per square foot. At least 1,000 per square metre. All here was just covered in weeds. And I left all the other plants alone. And in there, I guess I pulled out some of the ones in between the bricks. I want to just clean up a bit, rake up and get the bigger bits out. And I've done all up in here as well, in there, there, and in there as well.